One thing that must always be present inside a relationship or before getting into a relationship is the ability to attract a man. Yes, your partner with whom you are already in a relationship or some person with whom you want to develop a relationship, such a relationship will be possible only when you try to attract them intensely. You will have to do something that makes him go crazy for you, be it your way of talking, your dressing sense, or any other thing. The steps that you have to take to make your partner feel crazy. Today's video is exactly on this topic. So definitely watch the video till the end. We will tell you some such tips with which your partner will go crazy after you. Number 1, always boost his ego. Always support your partner. If he's doing a tough job or going to give a tough interview, encourage him. Tell him that you can do this. Your words have a lot of power. You can easily boost his ego. Your partner will also feel that there is someone who cares for him. There's someone to support him in tough situations, and he will feel less pressure in tough situations. If your partner is studying for a tough exam, help him in his studies. If possible, arrange a coaching teacher for him, or if you can, give him classes yourself in the middle. He'll also study, and the attraction in your relationship will also increase. Number 2, stop chasing him. If you always chase your partner, then stop. When you do every service of your partner yourself, then you're not giving them a chance to do something. A man always cares for his partner and wants to serve her. You should relax and let him take the responsibility on his shoulders. You should let him chase you. He should feel that it's not easy to get you, or it's not easy to get your time. When you do this, he will be attracted towards you to spend time with you. Number 3, don't be a bore. Always remember to spend time with your partner with your true self. Don't bore them. Keep things spiced up with them. Add small fights in between. This will keep your partner looking for new ways to please you, and he will always be responsible for your tantrums. Don't become a boring girlfriend. If your partner watches cricket, then you should also start watching by sitting with him. This will give him another companion, and he'll become more crazy for you. If you're not with him, then he will not be able to watch matches unless you're present there. This forms a special bonding. If your partner does not like cooking, then cook recipes and feed him, and after that, he'll never ask to eat outside because he knows how tasty his partner's food is. When you take care of him in this way, then he will also care and respect you, and the bond between you both will become even stronger. Number 4, listen to him. It is true that women talk too much, but you should also give your partner a chance to speak his mind. Always give your partner enough freedom so that he can tell you about his situation, share his failures with you. He shares his success with you, but is not able to share his failures. If you give him freedom, he will also feel that at least there is someone to listen to him in his tough situation. If he ever wants to talk to you, whatever work you are doing, whether you are watching TV or cooking, leave the work. That you should sit down to listen to your partner. If he wants someone to listen to him, then it is you. The more you feel his emotions and respect him, the more he will become crazy for you and attracted towards you, and the bond between you both will become strong. Number 5, power of touches. When you interact with your partner, use body language in a very romantic way. If you both are sitting on a couch and talking, lean your head on their shoulder and talk. When you're walking on a street, hold their hand and walk. If they tell a joke, laugh out loud for them. You can also playfully push them on the beach. When they talk to you, maintain eye contact. When you do all these activities, your partner's desire for you increases. Apart from this, celebrate their smallest and biggest achievements. Give them hugs and kisses on every success. They will also feel that apart from them, someone else is also happy with their success. Along with their success, share your achievements as well with them. This will create a mutual understanding between both of you, and when both of you celebrate your achievements, you will become more successful in life, and your relationship will also become successful. Number 6, love notes. When you are practically face-to-face with your partner, you are well connected, but when you are away from them due to office or some other work, it is very important to stay connected with them even at that time. For this, you can use social platforms. When you feel that your partner is shy to message you, then send them a text from here. Send funny reels in between, send loving emojis. What will happen from this is that if your partner is tired of office work, then seeing one of your text messages, his heart will be happy, his depression will go away, and he will do his work easily, and your presence will also remain in his heart and mind. If he's going out for a week or a few days, then send him a good morning message every morning on those days and send him a good night message at night before going to sleep. And call and text him during the day too, so that he feels connected to you even while being away. Number 7, understand his habits. To understand your partner deeply, understand his habits deeply. If you want him to be crazy about you, then you have to know him physically and emotionally. You have to see what he likes, what drives him. You have to understand his life deeply. What he likes to eat, whether he likes coffee or tea, whether he likes action movies or romantic movies. The deeper you understand him, the better you'll be able to care for him. And the more you care for him, the more he will be impressed by you and will go crazy after you. Number 8, create memories. Always keep making memories with your partner. Go on trips, trekking, or watch movies together. When both of you are away from each other due to some work, then your partner will relive those memories at that time and will think of making more memories with you. When your partner feels exhausted from the workload in the office, then when he remembers something what happened between you two during a trip, then all his depression will end. So keep trying to make new memories with your partner every day so that all the memories you share between you two will increase day by day. There will be a stronger bond between you both, and a deep connection will develop. Number 9, have an accepting nature. If your partner shares his true self with you, it means he trusts you. That's why it's your duty to respect his true self, accept him the way he is, and if he does not like tea with too much sugar, then make him one like that. If he doesn't like to be ignored, then never ignore him. If he doesn't like you talking to some other men, then do not do it. When you fulfill the wishes of your partner, then he'll start liking you more because you're taking his every word seriously. He may like this gesture of yours, and it's beneficial for the relationship of both of you. Always remember that the goal is not just to make someone feel crazy. Instead, it is about building a mutual, healthy, and strong connection where both partners feel equally valued and safe. This kind of relationship goes beyond physical attraction and focuses on deep connections with your partner. True attraction always stems from respect, understanding, and genuine care. In this, both partners should know how to respect their individuality and support each other in every situation of life. So, as you embark on this journey, always prioritize authenticity, respect, and genuine connection. These are the elements that transform a simple attraction into a meaningful and lasting relationship. Ultimately, the key to an everlasting and fulfilling relationship is being true to yourself and nurturing the connection with your partner. And if you adopt the qualities we talked about in the video, you create a relationship that is rich, supportive, and resilient and passes every test of life.